you, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Do it now while you remember, so that we can get me up to over 200. Yeah, I'm 120 something now, but we need to go up to 200. Help me get there, guys. Press the subscribe button. Now, where was I? How are you enjoying the Christmas season? Well, it's always mad crazy for me, as you could imagine. It's crazy for us all. I haven't really stayed on top of the duties, the things that we're supposed to be doing at Christmas. And as you can see, I've been so behind in all my duties. The Christmas tree is just dry, because I thought I'd make it look festive for you like I did last year, but I haven't managed it. It's just sitting there plastic. At some point, we'll dress it. But don't you worry, next time you see that tree, you're going to go, what a nice tree. There is so much to do. In particular, making the Christmas cake. Now, of course, what we're supposed to do is make the Christmas cake in September, and then every week you just feed it with a little bit of white rum or cherry wine every single week until Christmas, and it just tastes pop, 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 pop. Well, that ain't going to happen because there's so much things to do. It doesn't mean you can't make a nice vegan cake and it still tastes wicked, just like you've been feeding it since September. So let's kick it off. Caribbean black cake, lastminute.com. Here we go. It's gonna taste wicked.
Why do I think of you in colors orange, yellow, blue? I can't get you off my mind. Red as blood, warm as sun, such good loving just begun. Rainbow lover, I want you.
I'm gonna mix everything together. We've already seasoned it with some lemon rind and some orange rind. So here goes in the cinnamon. Oh, quite a lot there. Oh, then some vanilla, and then they've got some fresh nutmeg here somewhere. Wait there. So here's a piece of fresh nutmeg. And then finally, you can add mixed spice as well. And then finally, I'm gonna add some browning because I want it to be very, very dark. So you know when you hear people talk about the browning, this is the real browning. And before I mix it all together, I'm gonna add in some plant milk. So now the browning is just literally that, it's browning. It doesn't have any flavour, it's just giving it colour. And it's got a nice colour now, look at that, if you can see that there, it's really lovely colour. So now our cake is ready. This is the consistency, dropping consistency. Get yourself a tin. So I've already got my tin, I've already lined it. This is not only to stop it from sticking, but also to stop it from burning. Yeah, because we're going to put it on a medium to lowish heat so that it can cook through gently. I'm not making a lot this year because, as you know, our family's dwindled a bit. Mum's not around. It's just going to be a few of us at dinner. Well, when I say few, it'll still be quite a lot of us. So I'm not going to open the oven for at least an hour, and I'm going to check that it's cooked by taking a knife, sticking it in there. If my knife is dry, then it's all cooked. Now, I'm not into the icing sugar or anything like that, but what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take a ribbon and just put around it and tie it. I might dust it with a little bit of icing sugar on top, but my family, we're not too much into the icing, we're just into the cake. The black cake, that's enough, man. At least one job done, Christmas cake is done.
Rainbow lover, come to me. Orange, yellow, sea blue, green. We journey through the ocean deep. Together we will always be.
I was actually singing at a wonderful charity ball last weekend for an organisation called ALFAC.
Ain't no sunshine when it's gone, and this house just ain't no home. Anytime he goes away.
In between that, of course, I still have to come home and do the ironing. So people think my life is all very sophisticated. Oh, la 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 la. No. Let me show you what really happens in my life. look funny. What are you guys doing?
Fortnite dances.
They're doing Fortnite dancing. Thank God I've got these guys to entertain me with their fantastic dancing because I hate ironing. And while they're Fortnite dancing, the life of the singing vegan mum. So 1 minute I'm singing away, gigging and looking all sophisticated. Next minute I'm ironing, man, and my kids don't care. So guys, before I go, I made a little small cupcake of the cake so that I didn't have to wait all the way till Christmas to try the cake. So here we go, let's have a look, go. Mmm, really nice. I can taste the mixed spice, the lemon, and of course the fruit. It's delicious. Absolutely delicious. And I made myself a cup of tea with this one. So listen guys, I hope you like my video. I hope you're enjoying the Christmas festive season. And I will see you next time with some more Christmas goodies. See you next time.
Rainbow lover, come to me.